It is a bird with very bright and beautiful feathers. It lives in Papua New Guinea, a country in the Pacific Ocean. This bird named Ragiana bird of paradise. The male bird has long red and orange feathers on its back. The female bird looks simple, without the long fancy feathers. Males dance to attract females. They show their feathers and move around. They eat fruits, insects, and small animals. They live in forests, high in the trees. The bird is also called the national bird of Papua New Guinea. People protect this bird because it is special and beautiful. It is part of the bird of paradise family, which is famous for colorful feathers and dances.